Izindaba zehora lokuqala sigwethulela zona bukhome komkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli nazo ezinohlonze emini nje.
After appearance of this 42-year-old sergeant this morning, I think we might have positive news as per the direction which the team is following.
Livela enkantolo namhlanje iphoyisa elineminyaka engamashumi eliboshwe mayelana necala lokunyamalala kwebhungu elineminyaka eyishumi uKamkhelo Bawukude eBloemfontein, Free State.
The Department of Sport, Arts and Culture, together with our partners in Justice and Defence, is proud to announce two major national initiatives.
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo ubuciko namasiko uGayton Mackenzie usememezele uhlelo lokubuyiswa kwamathamba amaqhawe ngesikhathi sobandlululo ashonela ekudingisweni kwamanye amazwe.
Ngamakhaza siwezwile kodwa nje esingakakuphawula ukuthi asizilungiselela nganto ethile.
Abezimo eziphuthumayo eGauteng nakwezinye izifundazwe basiqaphile isimo njengoba kunesexwayiso sokukhithika nemvula endaweni ezahlukene.
We are excited to go to the US and also compete with the best teams in the world. It's a Club World Cup.
Imamelodi Sundowns iflathele elakuleli izolo kusihlwa njengoba iyobamba iqhaza emqhudelwaneni weFIFA Club World Cup eMelika kulenyanga. Mbukelisi kubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zasemini enizethulelwa uNoxolo uMamtshali waKwaMwali. Ake sibheke ukuthi namhlanje sihamba naziphi. Livela enkantolo yemantshi eBloemfontein namhlanje iphoyisa eliboshwe malungana nezinsolo zokunyamalala kaKamkhelo Bawukude oneminyaka eyishumi ubudala. Leli phoyisa elingusayitsheni liboshwe izolo kanti uBawukude kusola ukuthi wathunjwa ngolwesine olwedlule njengoba alandwa abesilisa ababili abangaziwa befake umfaniswano wamaphoyisa eBloemfontein.
Amaphoyisa esifundazweni Free State aqinisekisile ukuthi iphoyisa elineminyaka engamashumi ubudala lithathiwe layohlonywa ngemibuzo kwathi ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kwathathwa isinqumo sokuthi liboshwe njengoba libhekene necala lokuthumba. Okhulumela amaphoyisa esifundazweni Free State uthi leli phoyisa liboshwe ngoba imoto eyasetshenziswa iyamanisa leli phoyisa nalesigameko.
We have indicated that after this arrest, I think it will take us to somewhere. And the team is running now from yesterday evening until this morning. I have been informed that they are on the ground, and the main focus for now is just to get Kamkhelo back home safe. And I think we have ears and eyes of our communities out there. We still appeal to them. Wherever they can pick up anything, let's assist the team, and that will eventually bring Kamkhelo back home. And after appearance of this 42-year-old sergeant this morning, I think we might have positive news as per the direction which the team is following.
Kusenjalo umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni Free State utuse amaphoyisa ngokusukumela phezulu lolu daba.
We are so excited that at least there's a breakthrough in this case, and we also want to, our thoughts and prayer are with the family of this learner. And we hope that the perpetrators will eventually brought to book for the action that they've done to these learners.
Akacaci ukuthi basebabili noma sebebathathu yini abasolwa abeyamaniswa naleli cala.
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo ubuciko namasiko uGayton Mackenzie usememezele ukusungulwa kohlelo oluzogxila ekubuyiseni amathambo alabo abashonele ekudingisweni. uMackenzie uthi lesi sinyathelo solekelela ekubuyiseni isithunzi esalahleka ngenxa yesikhathi sobandlululo.
Today we gather not only to give an update, but to honor the memory of those whose dignity was stolen through centuries of injustice.
Ungqongqoshe wezemidlalo ubuciko namasiko uGayton Mackenzie uthi bayayiqhenya ngokwethula lolu hlelo lokubuyiswa kwamathamba labo abashonele ekudingisweni.
The Department of Sport, Arts and Culture, together with our partners in Justice and Defence, is proud to announce two major national initiatives. One, the reburial of Khoi and San ancestral human remains. Two, the second phase of the exile repatriation project, something that the government of national unity has made a priority.
Ugcizelele ukuthi kubambisene inhlaka ezehlukene kulolu hlelo akusiwona nje umnyango wakhe kuphela oqhamuke nalolu hlelo.
We don't do this as a department alone. The Department of Justice is part of this. Military veterans is part of this. This is not, look at us, projects. This is our project.
Mackenzie usenxuse imndeni yalabo abalwela inkululeko ukubivele obala.
Singene esontweni lesibili namhlanje isigcawu seCredoc 4 esiphenya kabusha ngokubulawa kwabeyishoshovu ezine zomzabalazo ezasocongwa eCredoc eEastern Cape ngo-1985 okholakala ukuthi zabulawa ngesihluku ngamaphoyisa ezikhathi zobandlululo. uLukhanyo Calatha obethula ubufakazi bakhe ngeledlule namhlanje uhlonywa ngemibuzo ummeli wamaphoyisa ayesebenza ngezikhathi zikahulumeni wobandlululo.
uLukhanyo Calatha wayeneminyaka emithathu yobudala ngesikhathi kubulawa uyise uFort Calatha, uMatthew Goniwe, uSpero Mkhonza noSicelo Mhlawuli asebehlonishwa ngele Credoc 4. Ngesikhathi ehlonywa ngemibuzo ekseni namhlanje uAdvocate Yapsilia ongummeli wamanye amaphoyisa ayesebenzela uhulumeni wencindezelo ukhale kakhulu ngokubukela phansi uAdvocate Silia ngokungabaza ubufakazi bakhe ngenxa ukuthi uthi wayesemncane ngesikhathi kushona uyise.
Your evidence does not, and I say it with respect to you and not in a demeaning manner, does not really contribute in any way to come to the truth of the matter. Because you have no personal knowledge, you have no fact that you can personally depose to assist the ladyship. Will I be unfair?
Yeah, you are being unfair. Then surely, I mean, I wasn't there. Like I said, I was 3 years old when my father was killed. But I would imagine that the evidence presented in all of these other inquests, as well as the Amnesty Commission, that those are fact, unless we're saying that all of that was nonsense.
uCalatha utshelile isigcawu esihleze enkantolo ephakeme yaseGqeberha ukuthi ukubambezeleka kokutholakala kwamaqiniso ngalabo ababanesandla ngokusocongwa kweCredoc 4 kungenxa yokudembesela kwe-ANC kusukela ithatha izitambo ingena kuhulumeni ngo-1994.
What the African National Congress failed to do was to then set in place measures to be able to hold people accountable for what they did under apartheid.
Bayisikhombisa abasaphilayo ababengamaphoyisa uhulumeni wobandlululo abasolwa ngokuba nesandla ekusocongweni kweCredoc 4 ngo-1985. Iningi lawo asadlula emhlabeni.
Abezimo eziphuthumayo eGauteng nakwezinye izifundazwe basiqaphile isimo njengoba kunesexwayiso sokukhithika kweqhwa nemvula ezindaweni ezehlukene.
Njengoba amakhaza ashubisa umkantsha ehlasele kuzwelonke, abantu abahlala emgwaqweni eGauteng bathi kunzima kakhulu kubona uma isimo sezulu singesihle. Nezinye izakhamuzi ezaseGauteng ziphawule ngezindlela ezahlukene ezizozisebenzisa ukuze zifudumale.
Simelike sihlale endlini sifudumale senzela abantwana into ezizobafudumeza.
Khaza siwezwile kodwa nje esingakakuphawula ukuthi asizilungisela la nganto ethile engako. Sibaleka nje amakhaza singene ezingubeni silale.
Abezimo eziphuthumayo eGoli bathi bazosiqapha ngesolokhozi isimo.
From our side as the City of Johannesburg Emergency Management Services, we remain on high alert together with our disaster management monitoring teams, monitoring all 7 regions of the city for any emergencies which might occur during these extremely cold temperatures.
Ungqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana unxusa abashayeli ukuba bashayele ngokucophelela njengoba isimo sezulu singesihle.
We do not want to experience what we saw last year when people got trapped on the road. We are closely monitoring. If the snow becomes so bad, we will make announcement to close certain roads and we will request people to cooperate.
Nhlangano engenzi inzuzo iGift of the Givers sayelule isandla yahlinzeka ngezingubo zokulala ezifudumele, izimpahla kanye nokunye okuwusizo.
eKapa sithi saqhubeka nokuqapha idolobha ngenxa yesexwayiso sesigaba sesine sesimo sezulu esingesihle esikhishwe izangoma zezulu.
Sele kuyiminyaka emine sukela yasekwayo le ndawo yoGobityholo neyakhiwe emgxobhozweni. Yaziwa ngokuba kusezinkomeni. Abahlali ngokunje babongoza urhulumente ukuba eze nesisombululo esisigxinya kule meko bahleli phantsi kwayo.
Nandicinga ukuthi urhulumente wethu urhuqa inyawo kakufikelele ekutheni asihlangule kwimeko esiphila phantsi kwazo. Into akaphumelela kuyo kakhulu kukusinika izithembiso angazifezekisi.
Sombululo segcina ke mhlekazi ayikho enye into yokuba abantu bakuthi basuswe kobu bugxwayiba bakubo ngumasipala esimbongozayo uba azama umhlaba asusa abantu bakuthi awubeka umhlaba ongcono.
Umbutho wesisa iGift of the Givers ithi ifumane iminxeba eliqela evela kwindawo zoGobityholo ezahlukileyo ngelixa lale ngqele.
And our teams are currently on site in Lawante to distribute blankets, warm clothing, sleeping mats and hot meals to the affected families.
Ndingumlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Sisasiqu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
And I also want to apologize to all the judges, all the magistrates, all the prosecutors, all the students who are studying law, even those who are not studying law.
Spoken to both the respective parties.
Ijaji uRatha Mokgoatlheng usexolisile ngokuphawula kwakhe ekwagxeka ukuyiphatha kwabameli abantsundu ecaleni lokubulawa kwalowa beUnozinti weOrlando Pirates uSenzo Meyiwa. Sikubingelele siphinde sikwamukele embukelo mongabe usanda kungena udabeni phambili besibika ukuthi livele enkantolo namhlanje iphoyisa elineminyaka engamashumi-42 eliboshwe emelana necala lokunyamalala kwebhungu elineminyaka eyi-19 uKamkhelo Bawukude eBloemfontein Free State. Mbukela sikukhumbuze ke nokuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus ungena nje kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba. Icala lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa livule ngokuthi ijaji uRatha Mokgoatlheng axolisele ukuphawula kwakhe kwangesonto ledlule nalapho agxeka ukuyiphatha kwabameli abantsundu. Lokhu kwakulandela ukuthi ummeli wabasolwa ababili kuleli cala uAdvocate Charles Mnisi etshele inkantolo ukuthi uzobe engekho namhlanje ngenxa yokuthi uzobe phuma ukuyogijima umjaho iComrades.
Ijaji lithe sekuyiminyaka engama-26 likulesikhundla kodwa likaze liziphathe ngalendlela elaziphatha ngayo ngoLwesihlanu.
And I wish now to tender my sincerest apologies. It's contra my nature to do that. I heartily and unreservedly, with no qualification, apologize to my colleagues here, to the accused. They say I mustn't call you the accused. They are correct. The gentleman in front of me.
Liphindeke laxolisa ke nako wonke umuntu wakuleli.
And I also want to apologize to all the judges, all the magistrates, all the prosecutors, all the students who are studying law, even those who are not studying law, all the religious leaders, and anybody in South Africa who felt slighted.
Umshushisi ke uAdvocate George Baloyi ubesefaka isicelo sokubuyisa ofakazi kuba bazophendula ngalezi zithombe zengeziwe phambi kwenkantolo.
On the application for the recalling of Sergeant Mabasa and Warrant Officer Ndlovu as the downloaders of the devices of accused number 2 and 3, the court will recall that on Friday the state wanted to re-examine Brigadier Gininda on these additional photos.
Icala liyaqhubeka.
Sekuphinde kwavela abesifazane ababili baseBloemfontein abathi baba zisulu zabalisa abangabasolwa ecaleni lokubulawa ko-Olorado Mongale. Isidumbu sikaMongale satholakala eLombard West eGoli.
Abesifazane babili baseBloemfontein badalelwe ukuthi behlelwa isimo esicishe sifane nesika uLorato Mongale njengoba bakhonjwa ngesibhambe satshiswa ukuthi impilo yabo isengozini uma bengenzi abakutshelwa yilabasola babili ababaphuca konke ababekuphethe. Labesifazane bakholelwa ukuthi oyedwa wabo kwakunguphila ngenkosi Makhanya nodutshulwe wabulawa ngamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal ngesonto ledlule.
They had access to my iCloud. They removed everything. They removed all the money in my account. They even made me call people, like, to tell them a story. They gave me instructions of what to say, that, you should tell them that you're in a crisis, you need 2,000 rand.
When we got there, we thought the guy is going out, since we know we are going to drop the guy and go where we are going, since he told us he's taking us out. When we arrived there, the guy just took out the knife. The other guy who is dead, he took out the knife and pull up the mask. The other one, the driver, took out the gun. Then they were like, we must give them our cell phones.
Abanye besifazane eBloemfontein bathi ngemuva kwesimo esehlele uMongale bakuthola kunzima ukuhamba ngokukhululeka njengoba nabo bengase babe yisizulu zokubulawa ngesihluku.
Currently what is happening in terms of online dating, even if you can meet the person face to face, you are not sure whether you are safe around that person, whether that person is genuine, or you are not safe at all around the person.
Amaphoyisa phenya amacala ahlobene naleli qembu ezweni lonke njengoba sekuvele laba besifazana ababili amacala asemane okukholakala ukuthi abikwe eBloemfontein.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSivuye Gwahube uthi kubafundi abayikhulu abaqala isikole bangama40 abaya emanyuvesi kanti bayisithupha abathweswa iziqu.
South Africa historically, and I think many of you may agree with me, that historically there has been a disjuncture around the understanding of what the importance of skills in our education system. For too long, there's been a premium that is held and a view that is held that if you don't go to university, that is actually the marker of success. And yet the numbers tell us a different story. That out of 100 learners who start school, only 14 of those qualify for university, and just 6 out of 100 will graduate within the first 6 years. So it tells you that there's clearly a massive disjuncture of our understanding of what the economy needs.
Umndeni nezihlobo zelungu leIFP lePhalamende elishonile uKhethamabala Petros Sithole bathi ngeke bakuthola ukuphumula umuntu ombulele esagcwele amathafa. uSithole wadutshulwa wabulawa ngesonto ledlule eKatlehong eGauteng.
Umholi obethembekile iIFP imchaze kanjalo uKhethamabala Petros Sithole obeyilungu layo. uSithole wangena kuIFP ngo1970 wasebenza izinhlakeni ezihlukene. Ushone seyilungu lesigungu esiphezulu seIFP kuzwelonke ephinde ebe yiphini likaSotswebhu eqembu ePhalamende. Umndeni wakhe uthi lesi sigameko sewushiye ukhungathekile.
Ubaba beyigagu kakhulu. Ubaba beyikhulumela. Ubaba umuntu wabantu kakhulu. So asifani ke lapho yikho ngizothi umfundisa kamzala umfundisi.
uSithole ubeyilungu lekomiti lezokuxhumana ePhalamende.
Jobe, as we fondly called him in the corridors of Parliament, was not just a member of Parliament. He was indeed the embodiment of everything Parliament aspires to be: accessible, accountable, committed to the upliftment of the people, especially the poor.
Mengameli weIFP uthi iqembu lihlwithwe umholi oqotho.
uJobe bekungenye yezinsika zeqembu lenkatha inkululeko eyephukile namhlanje. From this morning to this afternoon, we meet to say goodbye to Honorable Kethamabala Petros KP Sithole.
uSithole ungcwatshelwe emathuneni asekhaya.
sale kahle.